Hello everyone, Kayla here, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about the differences between a multivitamin and a hair vitamin, and I'm also going to be answering the question that pops up from time to time, which is, should you take these two things at the same time? Of course, I am not a medical professional, so definitely take everything that I say with a grain of salt. Go do your own research, look further into the things that I'm going to present here, and then go talk to a medical professional before you embark on any type of vitamin regimen.
So, what is a multivitamin? A multivitamin mineral supplement is defined in the United States as a supplement containing three or more vitamins and minerals that does not include herbs, hormones, or drugs, where each vitamin and mineral is included at a dose below the tolerable upper level as determined by the Food and Drug Board and does not present a risk of adverse health effects. Buddy Poi in Vegetarianism Unmasked. Now, I picked this definition because it had the most information all in one, but we basically understand that a multivitamin has multiple vitamins. You're going to get what a healthy person is supposed to have over the course of an entire day. I've always approached vitamins as almost like insurance for your diet. So you want to primarily eat a good diet, but of course, the vitamin is there as a backup plan just in case. Now, what is a hair vitamin? Hair, skin, and nail supplements commonly contain antioxidants such as vitamin A, C, and E, or coenzyme Q10, as well as biotin, a B complex vitamin. The minerals manganese and selenium are often found in supplements marketed for healthy hair, along with fatty acids such as fish oil and flaxseed oil. Julia Calderon at consumerreports.org, and she also is someone who has a area of expertise in science, but that's just where her stuff is written for public viewing. So I basically would say that the things that are purported to be helpful to hair growth, that's typically what you're going to find in a hair, skin, and nails vitamin. Now, of course, not every vitamin is a hair, skin, and nails vitamin specifically with just these things in it. So let's actually compare the two. I clipped the ingredients of a multivitamin, which shall remain nameless, and then I also clipped the ingredients of a very popular hair vitamin, which will also remain nameless. So the multivitamin, as you can see, has tons of different vitamins, C, D, E, K. You got thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, B6, B12, folic acid, biotin. All of these things are present. Now look over here at the hair vitamin though. We've got vitamin A, which is also in the multivitamin, vitamin C, which is also in the multivitamin, calcium, which is also in the multivitamin, vitamin D3. Let's see, D3 has another name. That one I'm not seeing unless I'm missing it somewhere. You have vitamins B1, 2, 3, and 6. This multivitamin has 1, 2, and 6. And it also has B3 as well, but it's just called niacin. And that's also in the multivitamin. You have folic acid in both of them. You have B12 in both of them. You have biotin in both of them. And then they have this pantothenic acid. That's also in there too, even though that's something I'm not as familiar with. That's in there as well. And then of course you have MSM, which is sulfur, over in the hair vitamin. It's like a part of a complex that this particular hair vitamin has, but I do want to point out the MSM because it is a common ingredient in a lot of hair vitamins, even though this one hasn't mixed into like a special blend that they have. Now, basically you are getting boosted levels of certain vitamins that you would get from a multivitamin. So I would not advise someone take a multivitamin and a hair vitamin at the same time because of toxicity. You can have negative effects from taking certain vitamins in excessive amounts. None of them are the ones that are listed in the hair vitamin, in case anyone is freaking out, but some of them are listed in the multivitamin. You don't want to take boosted levels of some of those. And then everything that's in the hair vitamin is in the multivitamin, but the multivitamin has more of everything. So if you were to take a multivitamin with maybe a biotin supplement because it's only 10% in the multivitamin, and maybe an MSM powder or MSM pill or something like that to get the sulfur, you would be basically getting everything that's in the hair vitamin, but for likely a smidgen cheaper.
So there you have it. In a nutshell, a hair vitamin is basically a boosted multivitamin. I follow a vitamin regimen that is a multivitamin, MSM powder, and biotin, and this is exactly why I follow that, because I'm getting all of those things in a much cheaper package than these pricey hair vitamins that are everywhere. I am not speaking ill of the hair vitamins. I am not trying to fight anyone in the comments over hair vitamins. If you love your hair vitamins, keep using them. That's great. But I'm just providing I guess, an alternative viewpoint, or even an alternative for someone who maybe doesn't want to use the hair vitamins. So I hope that this video was informative, or at least a starting point for you looking into more information. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, share this video with your natural friends. That really helps me out. It gets the views up, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.